Today we are doing today I will be delivering the lecture on of Unit 5, that is the case study of a Google App Engine. I have sent the notes to you all on the WhatsApp, so you can refer them. I will be sending the PowerPoint slides to you also after the lecture is completed. Just okay. So I think 3 students or 4 students have joined. Very good. Now, what do you mean by Google App Engine? I think everyone knows that we are studying the cloud computing, and Google is the one of the biggest company that is providing the cloud services all around the world. So let us understand what is Google App Engine. Basically, Google App Engine is a fully managed serverless platform for developing and hosting web applications at scale. You can choose several popular languages, libraries, frameworks to develop your apps. Then let App Engine provided by the Google take care for provisioning servers and scaling your app instances based on the demand. Now we were talking of the different languages that can be used. So one of the basic or important feature that is provided by the Google App Engine is that we can use any type of language. For example, you can use Go language there at Google App Engine. In Google App Engine, you can use PHP, you can use Java, you can use .NET, you can use Node.js, you can use Python, you can use Ruby, or there are many more languages that are supported by Google App Engine. Now the question is, why we are using the Google App Engine, or why we should go for the Google? So there are different reasons, there are different features of the Google App Engine that has to be considered when we see that when we are thinking to move towards the cloud, because cloud services is such that we just don't have any type of tension there. All tension or maintenance or security features are taken or beared by the service provider, that is a Google. So one of the most important reason why we choose Google is, number one, it reduces risk with world-class security. As you all know, Google is giving a world-class security to all around the world. It is seen that since we are doing the case study, so we should know what are different companies that are supporting Google. So it is in a survey, it is seen that 7 companies out of 10 are using Google search engine, Google services, because they believe more on Google instead of other company, because the security is very good. Second is the improved choice with hybrid and multi-cloud. Google has the facility to support hybrid clouds or the multi-clouds, so that your data is safe, secure, and accessibility. Third, and the most important feature is the Spark innovation with AI and data analytics. It provides data analytics very fast. And due to this data analytics feature, AI is more, Google is more preferred for this reason. Next is the benefits from Google ongoing innovation. Google is always doing some research and development activities. Google is always trying to do some innovation in this field. So Google provides all type of features, all type of innovation without any charges. As you all know, you are having the Android mobile. Android is given by the Google. And you have seen the mobile that is, what is the name of the mobile? Google provide free of cost all types of update every year. So instead of Google, in the market we have seen that there is a Microsoft is also giving, but Microsoft, you have seen that Microsoft always takes some charges with you. Amazon is also providing you the service AWS, that is known as AWS, but they are also trying to take charges from you all at some instance or at some time. But Google is a company which provides always updates, always new features, always give their innovation to you all. So Google give the benefits of ongoing innovations and ongoing their projects. Next is it developed with a fully integrated open source software. Google always provide different open source software. So since we are running a small company, or we are starting a startup, or we are working with in a company, and every time if we want to purchase a software, then it is very costly. So we justly go or move towards open source software. So Google is a company which provides the facility of using open source software. Also it provides some open source software to you also. Next is that Google is always there to help you. At every step, there is always with you all to help us. So there are different features. That's why we are using the Google App Engine, or that's why the Google App Engine is mostly preferred by the software developers or the software companies or the person who are interested in designing or development of app or uploading the website or uploading the apps through on the web. Because every time you cannot one of the best features is that it is a serverless. You don't need any server. The server is given by the Google and you can use it. So now in the next session we will try to cover some more facility of Microsoft Azure. Okay, what is the basic what are the different features of the Microsoft Azure that is given by, what is the Hadoop, and what are the Amazon, and what is the Aneka. I think today some concept has been discussed with you all, that what the different app engine, what is the app engine, what is the Google App Engine. There are more many features that Google App Engine support. Is that you can pay only for what you use. Pay only for what you use. That is also one of the most important feature of the Google App Engine. So for this, I think today introduction to Google App Engine is sufficient to you all. Now I am giving the assignment to you all that you have to do the case study on the Google App Engine, and you have to submit it by, I think today is 19th. You should submit it by 22. You can send the case study by 22 on the WhatsApp to me, or WhatsApp in the group, or you can mail me at my mail ID. Okay, thank you very much for today's lecture.